Louisiana, my baby Rosanna, sitting by the window, she waits for me.
Go up the ramp, hon. Turn around. Turn around. Yeah, he's so scared. If he goes out the middle one, he'll be okay. Can I use that to block the... I'll block the other entrance.
Hi, I'm Amelia. And I'd like to talk about the skunk today. The skunk was black and white, and it was in the chicken yard, and Dude and the skunk was seen together by the garage.
Who's Dude?
Dude's the next door neighbor's cat.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we have a skunk stuck in the chicken yard. I'm going to try to approach him without getting sprayed.
I got no fare to ride a train. I'm nearly drowning in the pouring rain. Hitching a ride.
Yeah, this is
Hitching a ride. Been away too long from my baby's side. Ride, ride, ride. Hitching a ride. Ride, 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 hitching a ride. Back in Louisiana, my baby Rosanna, sitting by the window, she waits for me. Here am I in Tucson, I'm putting my shoes on. Got a lot of miles ahead of me. Breaks my heart to know she's all alone in the world. Will somebody help me get to see my girl?
Oh, he's probably exhausted.